Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make the trending hugging photo or hugging video edits in Picverse. So in here, I've already prepared the photo. So you need to combine two photo. You can edit it like this or just combine it into a collage photo. And after that, you can just open your browser and find the Picverse AI tool. So you can just open the Pixverse AI. Here you need to log in. You can sign in with Google, Apple, or Discord. So I'm going to just use login with Discord. For example, you can just follow the instruction in here. Authorize the Discord to have access into this Pixverse AI. Click on authorized. So now this is the Pixverse AI homepage. So what you need to do is just upload the photo that you prepared before. Okay, so this is the photo. So in here you can just type here the prompt to hug each other. For example, I'm going to just write that prompt. So after this, you can just click on this buttons right here to generate the video and just wait for the result. You can see at the bottom your video will be generating. You can just wait until it's done. Okay, so now it's done. You can just click on the results in here to preview it. So this will be the final result. You can just download this, click on the arrow button to download the result. And that's all for me. That's how you can create the trending hugging video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.